Most people spend years learning how to earn money. Very few spend time learning how to manage it. And that one skill can completely change your financial future. In this video, we'll understand what personal finance really means, why it's important, and how mastering this simple concept can help you build financial security, achieve your goals, and create long-term wealth. Let's begin. Imagine receiving your salary today. Your phone buzzes with a message. 50,000 rupees has been credited to your bank account. It feels exciting. You think about ordering your favorite food, buying new clothes, upgrading your smartphone, planning a weekend trip, or maybe getting that new gadget you've been waiting for. Now imagine that just 20 days later, you check your bank account again. The balance is almost zero. You start wondering, where did all my money go? Surprisingly, this situation isn't rare. Millions of people experience the same thing every single month. But here's something even more surprising. There are people earning exactly the same salary who still manage to save money every month, invest for their future, and live without constantly worrying about their finances. So what makes the difference? It's not luck. It's not a higher salary. It's something called personal finance.